Namaste everyone, welcome you all in the RSV Group of Schools YouTube channel. We are again here with the same chapter but different topic. In this topic, we will undergo the conditions. Now in this topic, we will excavate out the minerals. Now we will dig out the minerals from deep inside the earth crust. Before that, we need to know that what is extraction. Extraction itself define what is extraction. Extraction is a process. As the minerals are located, mineral deposits we found at different heights, different depth. So for reaching these height from this surface, this is our earth surface, and for reaching these depositional sites, the area which I am lining mark is the strata or the sediments, and these are the mineral deposit which a person who is the owner of the mine, who is planning to dig out, to extract out the mineral. Extraction means what? In the definition, if we want to define extraction, it is a process by which required mineral is taken or digged out. Now this extraction takes place by a number of techniques which a person who is owning a mine need to take. For this sequence, extraction of metals, for the digging out of the minerals, we have three processes. Extraction of minerals includes three different techniques. Now, before starting this, we need to understand one by one the different technique of extracting the mineral. The very first technique which I told about in the last class, that is mining. Second one, that is drilling, and the last and again very important one, that is quarrying. What we call it, students? Quarrying. 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 All these three techniques are used for the extraction of different kind of metals, different kind of fuels, and different kind of non-metals. Again, I am repeating. Listen carefully with full concentration. These techniques are used for the extraction of metals, for the extraction of fuels or energy resources, and for the extraction of non-metals. So, different mechanical techniques are used for the extraction of different kind of mineral, because metal, fossil fuels and non-metals, all three of them will be considered as minerals or power resources. Let's move on with the mining first. Here we are taking a brief discussion about all these three techniques so that the students can make a mind map inside their mind, that how these techniques and where these techniques are used. Mining is the process for the extraction of metals. It is used. Now what happens as we are studying mining? Suppose this is the field. This is the mining site. I am writing here mining site. Site is the place, site is the area where the particular deposit in different form at different location it is obtained. Now, a person who want to excavate out these, what are these? These are deposits. Which deposits? Mineral deposit. As we are using mining, the mining is used for the extraction of what, children? Metals. So, as I told you in last class that the person have to remove this shaded area. What we call it, children? Yes, it is the same layer by layer by layer deposition. This area we call it as overburden. What we call overburden. So a group of workers, group of people start working on that particular field. They start digging out, and when they reach the particular place, the particular area where the mineral deposition starts or exposed, from that they start excavating out the huge logs of minerals. Here, children, we need to discuss one more thing. In the firm where the minerals are obtained, in the firm where when minerals are excavated out from the inside of the crust, that form is known as what? Yes, that form is known as ore. I have make a star here. Why? Because this is the utmost. Utmost means very important thing that in the form. Suppose this is the log and this is the mineral जो हमने mine से निकाला. This is ore. What is it? It is a ore. Like for example, magnesium is a mineral. So the ore of magnesium is known as what? Magnetite is the ore of magnesium. For if we want to dig out copper, so that its ore is known as cuprite, right? So this is the process of mining. Now children, in the next class we will study the detailed process of mining. I will show you the mine, how it looks from inside and how the workers dig out the metal, because minerals are located at very deep heights. So it is not possible for a person to take it out by step method. So what things, what techniques they use for digging out, and what is the size and looking of a map, that is the detailed study we will do in the next classroom. Till then, namaste.